All right, so let's end this playlist here with release workflow. I'm not going to cover this GitHub for DevOps engineers because I have been using Terraform and Jenkins and using Git there. So you can witness the uh, different playlist that I have. Addition to that, let me show you that playlist. So here you have the Terraform playlist. You have where we go. You have Jenkins playlist here. So here I've been using it as a part of the integration with Jenkins and Terraform as well. So let's focus on branching strategy, which I already have it here somewhere. Just a moment. Let me go back here and go to the repositories, and then I would go to AWS DevOps ML resources, and then I will jump onto the document, which is nothing but the document that states git command switch branching strategy. So here you have the detailed explanation of how branching strategy works, but for us the focus is on the tagging part, right? How to tag and how to check out tags. So we'll cover that tag, hotfix branch, as well as the release. So to start with tag, what is a tag? A pointer to a specific commit is known as tag. Tags allow you to reference exact production states. And if I talk about the hotfix branch, it is used to patch production without blocking your new work. And that's a little bit, straightforward definition of these two. Let's now focus on hands-on. We'll move to hands-on and we'll try the first two commands which we I have already saved because I've been doing it multiple times. So let me first go to Notepad. So I'll copy this up. I'm just echoing the app.txt with the app of v1 and then adding it in commit. Just a second. I'm going to paste this here. I have pasted here. It's done. That's fine. And now the next command is git tag version 1. So I'll say git tag v 1.0. All right, it is tagged now. Now if I go ahead and do this with another one, echoing new feature in the same app.text, and let's do that right away. I have done that. Okay, so we now have app1, we now have new feature in it. Now let's go ahead and check out the v 1.0, and then we'll try to see what it's in the app.txt. So we'll check it out. Okay, so when we then check out, it switched to version 1.0. Now we are in detached head state. So once we are into it, what it did, it actually pointed the head to v1. So what was our initial release? That means that particular line that we have created is gone. It is now heading to the initial release. All right, let's go ahead and do another thing. Let me check out main again. Check out main. I'm now back to main. And now what I'll do here is when I checked out main, it says previous head position was this. Now switched to branch. Let me do another thing. I check create hotfix branch and then associate it with this one. Let's see how what works. I'll say copy it like this and we'll do this. Great. Now what I'll do here now, I'll say git tag version 1. Just give me a moment. So we are now into hotfix 1, and let me say git status. All right, now give me a second. So what it did, what I ran last, what it did, it actually created a new branch exactly starting exactly from the V 1.0 release, and it moved me to into it that hotfix branch. So this is powerful in real projects because main branch may already have new features that are not ready for production. So we create the hotfix branch in between and then merge it with the main. So means if suppose in production environment a bug is found, so you create the hotfix branch and tag it to the initial version, and then modify it and merge it with the main branch to have the latest codes available in the main branch. So that's how the release actually works with the hotfix workflow used in the real companies. So that's all for this lecture. I wish you good luck, and let's catch you up in some more playlist. Keep yourself stay tuned with the updated knowledge, and make sure you comment, put your comment, and that motivates me to create such playlist again and again with different topics. Till then, wish you good luck again.